Hey, what's up, everybody? Mark here again. Today, I want to talk to you guys about how to buy altcoins, and we're going to be using the platform Binance. But the first thing you should do if you sign up for any exchange is set up your account security. So you should use two-factor authentication, which consists of SMS authentication, which is linking it to your phone, and Google Authenticator. I highly recommend using the 2F authentication on anything, any exchange you use, any investment you make within Bitcoin, or basically anything that you sign up for that offers it. So now, as you can see here, Binance has a 24-hour withdrawal limit of 2 Bitcoins at level 1. For level 2, it's 100 Bitcoins. You'd have to submit verification documents, which I'll show you a little bit of that. So basically, you'd have to, send them, if you're not from China, you'd hit international. You'd fill out this valid identity card. You basically take a picture of your ID, the backside of your ID, and then you send a picture of yourself with with your ID, a note with today's date and the word Binance on it. And then you submit that. So. And if you want to withdraw more than 100 Bitcoin, then you have to contact them. That's a level 3. So now, as you can see here, also there is a referral program with Binance. So if you sign up and you get other people to sign up under you, there is the commission will be sent instantly in real time to your Binance account as your referee completes each trade, and will be paid to you in whatever token / cryptocurrency the original fee was paid. So basically, if you're buying Litecoin, when you trade, they hit you with a fee, and they take Litecoin. So I'll get into what the fees cost for trading in a little while. I just want to show you guys the exchange. So now that I've showed you the referral and the account and security, I'm just going to show you the basic exchange. So this is basically what the basic exchange looks like. There's another advanced one where you can actually play with these charts, and I'll show you that in a little while. But if you want to add funds, once you've signed up and you want to add funds, you go up here to this tab, it says Funds, Deposits, and Withdrawals. You click on that, and this will show up. So basically, you can deposit or withdraw any of these altcoins. So if you have Bitcoin in another wallet, say you bought from CoinBase, or you have it in a blockchain wallet or any other wallet, you would go down here to Bitcoin, you'd go to deposit, you click on deposit, and you would, this would show up your Bitcoin deposit address. You'd copy that and put it in whatever wallet to send it here. And you can actually do that with any of these other coins too. But you want to make sure that you send only Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address, Litecoin to a Litecoin address, and so on and so forth. Let's go back to the exchange. So now, right here you have a Bitcoin. You can trade in Bitcoin. You can trade with Ethereum, and you can trade in BNB. BNB is actually a Binance token that they sell on their own. If you have Binance tokens, you actually can use those to pay your fees, and it's actually a discounted of 50. Right here you can see 50%. Instead of 0.1%, it's actually 0.050%. So you actually get a break on the fees you pay if you pay in Binance tokens. So now I'll show you the advanced exchange, which is just a little bit different. It's basically the same idea. It's just a different platform. It's a better chart, and basically a better interface for you, if you really want to get into trading. However, I actually use tradingview.com to look at charts and draw lines and things like that. But so basically here you have, this is the market orders, this is the trade histories right here. Down here is where you can, set your buy or your sell, your limit, your market orders or stop limit orders. So to set a stop limit order, Say you wanted to sell at $100, just for an example. You would put in $100, but you don't want to sell any lower than $90. So, it would trigger at $100, and then it would sell at less than $100, but your limit would be 90, or so on and so forth. So if you wanted to sell at 100, then you would put maybe 110 up here. It would trigger at, and then your limit could be 100. And basically, you do that the same way with buying. You could put your stop in at 100, where say you wanted to buy for, and then you could put your limit a little bit lower and possibly get a better price if it goes lower. So we'll just use 90 as an example. So I hope that helps you guys understand that a little bit. It's pretty confusing, but so now here you can do the same things. You can go up here, you can trade in BTC, trade basically any of these altcoins. There's quite a few of them. You can trade Ethereum. You can trade the BNB, which is the Binance coin, and you can trade USDT, which is US dollars tether. They don't actually trade in US dollars, so there's a coin that's called USDT, and that is valued at the same of a US dollar. So now down here there's little tabs: open orders, order history, trade history, and you can see what you have for funds down here. So so you don't have to keep clicking back and seeing what your balances are. You can see them right here on this platform. So now if we go to Binance, you can actually see the markets here. You just click the Binance emblem here, and it'll go to markets. There is some news up here if you guys want to check any of that out. You can look at all the markets, see the last price, trading prices, volumes, favorites, and all the different markets. So that's pretty much it, guys. You guys can either buy coins and hold on to them for a long time, depending on which coins you like best, or you can buy and trade as many times a day as you want. There's no limits. But there's actually one last thing I do want to talk about. A lot of new traders kind of get confused when it comes time to making trades, because a lot of people focus more on the US dollar amount than the actual Bitcoin amount. So when you're making trades, you actually want to make sure that you're gaining in Bitcoin and not just US dollars. And I mean, unless you're trying to just cash out and be done with it, then that's fine. But if you're trying to do this for the long term, you want to make sure that every trade you make, you acquire more Bitcoin, because even as the price of Bitcoin goes down and you're making trades and acquiring more Bitcoin, your US dollar amount isn't actually going to go down. So just keep that in mind, guys, if you're going to start trading. There's obviously other things you can do in Bitcoin, or cryptocurrency in general. You can trade, you can just hold, or there's investments you can make. But so whatever road you take, just always try to acquire more Bitcoin. I mean, that's the whole idea of it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please give me a like and a subscribe if you thought it was. I will put the Binance link in my comment. So if you want to sign up, I know that Binance and Bittrex and a few of them have been filling up lately and not accepting new users. But Binance has actually been opening their doors every few days to let more people in. So even if you sign up and they're not accepting new users, they will send you an email letting you know that that they're accepting a few today. So just keep your eyes peeled if that happens to you. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.